Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TurboTax step by step. First, gather all your essential tax documents, such as your W-2 forms and any 1099 forms for investment income. Next, select the TurboTax product that best fits your tax needs, whether it's for simple returns or more complex situations. Finally, create a new account or log into your existing one to start your tax filing journey with ease. Now, let's move on to entering your financial details. Carefully input all your income sources, including wages, interest, and dividends, into the designated sections. TurboTax will then prompt you to enter any eligible deductions and credits, like student loan interest or charitable contributions, helping to reduce your overall taxable income. The software's guided questions ensure you don't miss out on potential savings. Once all your information is entered, it's crucial to review your entire tax return thoroughly for accuracy and completeness. TurboTax performs a comprehensive final check, identifying any common errors or omissions before you file. After confirming everything looks correct, you can confidently choose to e-file your federal and state returns directly through the platform, making the process quick and secure. After successfully filing, you can track your refund status using the IRS Where's My Refund tool, usually available within 24 hours. Remember to keep digital or physical copies of your filed tax return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years. And hey, for a great way to stay refreshed, check out the Oala water bottle link in the description, along with other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.